In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to create chatbot application by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. We write the command on the search box, then ChatGPT generates some lines of code. When ChatGPT will stop generating, then copy the HTML code and paste into your VS Code editor file with name, index.html. Check your output on your browser. Then, copy the CSS code, paste into your VS Code editor file with the name, style.css, which is generated by the ChatGPT. Check your output on the browser. One more time, copy the JavaScript code and paste into your VS Code editor file with the name, script.js. Check your output on your browser. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.